Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up the dlink DAP-1325 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS method. It's a fast, simple way to expand your Wi-Fi coverage and improve connectivity in minutes. Stick around to learn this easy setup process. Let's start by unboxing the dlink DAP-1325. Inside, you'll find the Wi-Fi range extender, a power adapter, and a quick setup guide. Before proceeding, double-check to ensure all items are included and ready for the setup process. Plug the dlink DAP-1325 into a power outlet, ensuring it's positioned close to your router for a smooth setup process. Once powered on, the LED light on the extender will start blinking, signaling that it's ready to be configured. Next, find the WPS button on your dlink DAP-1755, typically located on the front or side. Press and hold the button for approximately 5 seconds. Once the WPS LED starts blinking, the device is ready to connect to your router. Within 2 minutes, head to your router and locate its WPS button. Press the button to initiate a wireless connection between the router and the extender. This process enables them to sync automatically, ensuring seamless communication and extended Wi-Fi coverage. After the connection is established, it's time to test your extended Wi-Fi network. Connect your phone, laptop, or other devices to the new network. You should experience improved coverage and stronger signals in areas that previously had weak or no connectivity. To maximize performance, position your dlink DAP-1755 extender midway between your router and the area needing improved coverage. This strategic placement ensures the extender receives a strong signal from the router. If you need help or face any issues, our expert team is ready to assist. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll ensure your concerns are addressed promptly. And that's all. Your dlink DAP-1755 is now set up using WPS, and your Wi-Fi network is successfully extended. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.